This video will show you how to create extensions with like this Python script or registry entries or PowerScript, Windows PowerScript. So in order to create this, you have to create a file, a registry entry file with these lines. I have studied carefully, and this line will create you without rebooting the Windows the ability to create a new Python file. So go to here, create a new file, new registry or text document. If you haven't installed it, put the direct extension and put add Python extension. Yes, and edit this. I like to edit with my favorite. So I put the text here, I save it. Then I run this. And once you run this, you will see that the extension is added like this, like Python. The same thing with the registry. I will show you now my script. So the registry is this file. So it's the most simple. And now I'll show you also the last, the Power script. So is this right here. So the Python and the PowerScript needs this extra. Without this will not work. So it's not enough just to put only this one. It needs also to put this in the root and also this inside the root. So thank you for watching. Like this, after you can do this, you can go and do NullFile as you like. So we can see new PowerScript and very easily create new files. Okay, thank you for watching.